The 2021 VW Atlas stands out as an excellent choice for a family SUV due to several key features. First and foremost, its spacious interior is designed with families in mind. With 3 rows of seating, it can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, providing ample space for both passengers and cargo. The roomy cabin ensures that everyone, from parents to children, has a comfortable and enjoyable ride. Safety is a top priority for families, and the VW Atlas delivers in this aspect. It comes equipped with advanced safety features, including a suite of driver assistance technologies. These features contribute to a safer driving experience, offering peace of mind for parents and ensuring the well-being of everyone on board. In terms of performance, the VW Atlas provides a smooth and comfortable ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a family road trip, the SUV's handling and suspension contribute to a pleasant driving experience. It strikes a balance between performance and comfort, making it suitable for various driving conditions. The user-friendly infotainment system adds another layer of appeal to the 2021 VW Atlas. With an intuitive interface and connectivity options, families can stay entertained and connected while on the go. Features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto enhance the driving experience, allowing seamless integration with smartphones and other devices. Additionally, the VW Atlas boasts a stylish and modern exterior design, making it visually appealing for families who appreciate a contemporary look. The attention to design extends to the interior, with quality materials and thoughtful details that enhance the overall aesthetic of the SUV. The 2021 VW Atlas excels as a family SUV due to its spacious interior, advanced safety features, smooth performance, user-friendly infotainment system, and appealing design. It's a well-rounded choice for families seeking a reliable and comfortable vehicle to accommodate their dynamic lifestyles.